Hi, I'm Denise Carley, and I will save you thousands of dollars. A down market doesn't have to be non-profitable to you. I'm the owner and broker of Carley Properties with over 12 years experience working hard for my clients. The internet has changed the way we do real estate today. No longer do you have to pay 6 or 7% commissions or more. I provide full service for $495 at listing and half of 1% once your home sells. When you list with me, you get multi-listing service, national listing exposure to over 200 websites such as Realtor.com, Zillow, and many more. Give you staging advice, lock boxes for easy access, virtual tour. We schedule all of your showings with a call or text message. We provide feedback with every showing, and I'm available 24/7. I'm with you every step of the way, and all of this for only $495. Get everything you would expect, minus the high commissions. There are no surprises, no hidden charges, and this is truly an amazing value. Let's get started. Email me or call me today. I look forward to meeting you and putting sold on your property. Go to flat495listings.com for more information.